Hello guys, let's see how to use conditional format um, greater than less than using conditional format. So like leave it with you. For me, it's a stock price. Mandate. That's why I'm using this as same example. Then anyone following, they will easy to understand. Look at that buy price. So current price. So buy bought price is a 915. Current price 850. Now I like to highlight this one. 850 had a red color and Sunquick Mickey, so it's a 80 43.06 cents. Now it's a 81.60 cents. I like to highlight this one, H4, what we call green color. Let's see how we are going to do it. For me, I like to select this row maybe column, yeah, column. How much for you want to highlight it, that area only is going to be what we call condition format work. So if I highlight this one, 607.97, this one also automatically condition to conditional format. Then go to the conditional home, conditional format, new rule, and use formula for determining which all format. And here I'm going to make one formula for equal dollar sign. Don't forget the dollar sign. If you have forgot the dollar sign, it's going to be a problem. H3 it's a greater than D3. Forget that. If you already forgot the dollar sign, don't forget the dollar sign. And yeah, I'm going to make it green color, no? So it's going to be a green color. H3 greater than bigger than this one. It's going to be green color. I like the green, light green. This green I like it. So I'm going to select green. So if it's a condition true, it's going to be a select green. Okay, look at that. 23.99 cents. Now it's a 96 cents. So which shares? Okay, that's one of my favorite shares. Leave it. Again, go to the new rows and use the use formula to make this one 2 3 4 5 6 6 1, and I'm using Excel 2016. um, so if anyone using old version, I don't know it's going to work. It the new version is definitely going to work. Again, equal sign, dollar sign, H3 less than dollar sign D3. Now I like to mark it on the red color. So I don't like this red, so I like the rose red. Look at that. I like that. So mark it down. Okay. Look at that. Now it's pretty good, no? So for example, from 860, no? So if I'm going to make in future, if I'm going to make it average price PLR, prime rate resident, so it's come down to like that 5 can be a 3. For me, I don't want to do it like that. Okay, thank you guys. I hope you guys learned something using greater than less than using conditional formatting. So yeah, that's it.